Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really huge haul video for you. As you can see, I have a big Hermes unboxing. I'm actually here in Vegas. And then I went to all three of their Hermes stores here in, Bellagio, Crystal, and the Wing. And I finally scored a very, very hard to get bag, which is the Birkin 25. So if you want to see which color, which leather that I got, so please stay tuned. And I also get a bunch of other stuff. As you can see, like it's really hard to only get the bag directly from the store. So I'm just going to open them, unbox them one by one. So if you want to see the Birkin, please stay to the end of this video. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So the first item that I got is this pair of Cali Mills. I think this is really gorgeous. As you can see, it has this shimmer, and then I think it is in the gold skin. So it's really soft, and compared to the other leathers, I really like this gold skin leather because it's super comfortable. And I think this color reminds me of I guess the grease pearl color, and then I think it's just really cool color, and especially for the summer. I also like the light gold hardware or champagne gold hardware. I think it goes really well with the very light beige or the grayish pearl color here. And moving on to my next item. So can you guess what it is? Let me just unbox it. I didn't expect I would get this one, but when I saw it on display, both me and my friend were like, oh, this is really cute. And then I had to get it. And I feel like from a pricing perspective, this is pretty okay price because it is oh, I got it upside down. So this is a leather pendant from Hermes. And then you can see it has this little heart shape here. It comes with plated gold hardware, and then on the back it's actually leather. So I think I really like this Nata color because I think it really matches with all your outfits. And if you can wear it outside your t-shirt, when you wear jeans, or when you wear sweater, you can also layer it with your other necklaces. I wore this fitness necklace to the store when I shop, and I also layer it with this leather pendant, and I think they both went really well together. So this is the other item that I store from the store. All right, so moving on to the next one. So this is a big one. It's pretty heavy. It's heavy not because of, what I got, but because of the box that it comes with. So let me open it really quickly. So can you take a guess of what it is? You can comment down below. So it is the Cape Cod watch from Hermes. I think this is the really, classic design. And I think this watch is around $3,000, and it comes with the natural Bologna leather, or I forgot the name, but this is really gorgeous. And I tried it on. I was originally looking for a different version, maybe a thinner version of this watch, but that one is completely sold out. And but my essay showed me this one, and I tried it on. I think this is really classic, and it goes well with everything. It's pretty low-key, and if you're not into Hermes, you wouldn't know that this is from Hermes. But at the same time, I think it's it has this vintage look. So I really like this color, and also with the palladium hardware. I think this combination is really classic. So yeah, this is my other item that I scored from the store. And moving on to the next one. So this one is actually a leather good. And then it's actually a bag. So I didn't expect that I would buy this bag from the store, but it ended up, so my essay helped me check whether they have this style in stock. And then she told me there's only one in stock. And if you look, if you watch this video to the very end, you will see I got two bags of very similar color. So which color is it? So looking at the size, you see like this is a pretty small bag, and but I think it's quite cute. It's very casual. So can you take a guess of what it is? Let's unbox it together. So it comes with a little strap here. Let me do a quick review of the color. Right, so this is like in a very, I think this is a really cute red color. I think this is the true red with, you know, like the white stitching. And yeah, and this is in the Swift leather. So can you take a guess of which bag it is? It is a pretty new design from Hermes. And I've only seen pictures online. I've never seen this in the store, in person. But when I saw this bag, I was like, I have to get it. So this is the new Hermes in the loop bag. And then it's actually a waist bag. But to be honest, you can also wear it crossbody. I'm not going to like try it in this video, but if you're interested in this bag, I can do like a more detailed review video of this bag, because I think it's very versatile. You can, I believe like online you can have like 6 ways to wear this bag. So if you're interested, please comment down below and I will do a more detailed review. And let me tell you, any kind of like phone can fit inside of this bag. So I think this is pretty practical, functional, and a very versatile piece. And I really like this color. And you know why I say like this color is very similar to my Birkin. So I'm doing a little bit like review here. All right, I know you've been waiting for the last item, which is my Birkin. And looking at the box, you know, like this is a smaller size Birkin. So it's not like the 30 Birkin 30 or like Birkin 25 or 35. It's actually like the size 25. And then you might be surprised because I've already have a 25 Birkin. And most people, when they have like the Constance, the Birkin, the next bag will naturally be the Cali. But for me, I feel like I'm a Birkin girl. And I love how it looks open. I don't really like having a flap over, you know, the Cali bag. I feel like it's too much hustle if you want to like get in and out of this bag. I also love like how casual it is. You can wear it with your jeans, you know, even sweatpants, or even your Lululemon leggings. I think it goes really well with, and sneakers, goes really well with the Birkin 25. But when I got it, if you watch my other video, if you haven't, I'm going to link it on the top right. So when I got this Birkin, I always wanted to get like a brighter color one because yes, this ebony color goes really well with all the winter outfits. And so I think it's a perfect bag for, you know, the fall and winter time. But soon now it's springtime and summer is coming soon. And I thought maybe I should get a bag, maybe, you know, like in a brighter color or lighter color. So with that, let me unbox this Birkin 25. And I told you it's very similar to the in the loop bag that I showed you just now. So I don't really see this bag online. I don't think a lot of people have bought this color before. So when I essay told me this is, you know, like the D5 color, oh my gosh. Are you ready? Ta-da! How gorgeous is she? So this is the geranium, you know, like Birkin 25 with gold hardware. So as you can see, if I compare this two side by side, you see my Birkin 25 is actually brighter compared to my in the loop bag. And then it's like really, it's a gorgeous pop of color. And, you know, like, it's not like a, you know, like a true red, maybe like it has like this a little bit like orange undertone, but not too much. I think it's definitely a very bright color, and then it can like kind of like light up all your outfits. And yeah, I'm just like, I feel super lucky to have like scored this bag because now I think everybody's like chasing after like smaller handbags, so like the size 25 is really hard to get. So I'm actually quite surprised that when I asked my essay, like she told me she has this bag in stock. And yeah, so how do you like this color? Let me do a side-by-side comparison of my Birkin 25 in the color Ibing and Birkin 25 in this D5 color. And both are in the gold hardware, and I believe so the Ibing is in the Togo leather. So I think this is the more of the usual like leather that you would see like on a Birkin, versus my newer Birkin 25 is in the TN leather. So it's actually smoother, and I think it's just like a more rare leather compared to the Togo leather. So yeah, so I'm not going to do a full unboxing here. If you're interested in a more detailed review of this Birkin 25 in the color D5 with gold hardware and TN leather, let me know and I will do a detailed review in my next video. So that's it for you guys. This is my massive Hermes haul from Vegas. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!